Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Method wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the Method MR321. This one comes in an 18x9, positive 18, 8x165 is the bolt pattern with a 130 center bore. The finish is gloss black, and then whenever you shop for this wheel, this is the part number, guys. MR321 890-801-318. It'll take you straight to this wheel. I'll open this one up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So check this guy out. Nice, clean Method wheel. And let's see this bad boy. Let's take it out of the box. There you go. And comes with your Method sticker to go with it. And then see this bad boy. Here you have it. This is your Method MR321 live in the flesh. I'm gonna take out the center cap inside the box. That way you guys can see it. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below what this wheel looks like. Bam. It's a push-through center cap in matte black with the Method gray logo on it. Nice clean design. Gloss black mesh. I mean, it'll take conical seat lug nuts. TPMS sensor is compatible. Let me give you the lip size on this wheel for being an 18x9, positive 18 offset. So from that little corner to the edge, you're at 1.5 inches. If I push it back, 1 3/4. So there you have it. Mesh style, clean for any 8-lug truck wheel. If you guys are looking for a mesh style gloss black, check Method out. Check this MR321. If you guys are interested, feel free to give us a call at Tires Wheels Direct. Thank you guys.